So, which thing inspired you to build the world's best eco-hotel hotel?
When you have no money, idea is your currency. My wife, we whole family is very sensitive to environment. We used to many times give uh, a small pouch for the guest while going out of the hotel instead of giving the normal body shape. And were asking them to throw it in the Khandala Ghat also, so that it can become a valley of flowers. Now, idea is your currency. When you see that there is a slot or there is a niche available, then you should do what is available to you. So we decided to have an environmental sensitive hotel.
So the eco-hotel concept was totally new for people. So what was people's response and criticisms for the same?
Yes, you are right. Good question. When we came out, looking at my background of Kamath, Vittal Kamath's restaurant, serving idli, vada, dosa, one of the bank directors thought that it is an economic hotel instead of environmental sensitive hotel. I explained to him, otherwise getting the loan was very difficult. Same time, some of the people thought it is a gimmick. But when they came and they saw that we have done 90 different things than any other hotel. Third, we have convinced all our hoteliers and the peer group. And when they were convinced, it was very easy to convince others. And last, the staff, the people who they work with us, we have chosen only environmental sensitive people or people who have liking for the environment.
Okay, so after your success, are you planning to set up more such eco-hotel hotels in India and outside the nation?
Success breeds success. We are opening now more than 16 hotels right now, and we will be opening many more. There is likelihood to be opening same hotel in China also, management, and also in South Africa.
Sir, after starting 400 restaurants all over the globe, is it a routine for you to start a new restaurant now?
No. Every new restaurant, you may have 50-60% common things, but you have to see what the country, state, or the place needs. At the same time, the people. Never be under comfort zone that since you have started 400-500 restaurant and hotel, now the next one. Every restaurant is a challenge, and you must take care of each and every product which you put in the market.
Temperature of the air condition rises up by 2 degrees. It will be done in such a way that it's so gradual that the guest will not be aware of it, that okay, there's some change in the
They will not come to know.
They will not come to know. Yeah. But indirectly they will be saving a lot of power and energy. In the same way, for your linen, your bath linen, your bed linen, everything will be changed alternatively, so that you save a lot of water, your linen, the shelf life of the linen increases, and energy as well, manpower, your machine energy, everything is saved. Then in the rooms we use a sleeper, not the regular sleepers which we have at cloth slipper, but they are if you know that Osho sleepers.
Osho sleepers, yeah.
That's our recycled one again. Then these are the things. We use the cloth bags. No plastic is being used in any department or any part of the hotel. Everywhere, being it at front office, being it the housekeeping, in the room, we use cloth bags everywhere. Being laundry bags are cloth bags. The ones which just kept for the guest use are also cloth bags.
अरे मैं है ना
चला जाएगा फिर क्या करेगा?